Hi, in this video I will show you how to delete desktop wallpaper history in the Windows 10. So the process is pretty simple. Whenever you change your wallpapers, you will see a wallpaper history here. How to delete it? So first of all, click on the search button and search for the registry editor. Once you will click on it, you will see page like this, and here you have to click on the H key current user, tap on it. After that, you have to click on the softwares, and in the software you have to click on the Microsoft. So in the Microsoft you have to click on the Windows. In the Windows you have to click on the Explorer, and in the Explorer you have the wallpapers. So you will see all your wallpapers here. Tap on it, and here you will see all wallpaper history. Now delete it from here one by one to delete the background history. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.